Everybody needs gloves on for this procedure.
Ann McHugh's biology lab at Franklin High School is a busy place, buzzing with curiosity.
You can tell that every single kid in the room is really excited to be here, and they're learning that complex stuff without even really realizing it.
The classroom mirrors the real world, with students collaborating as colleagues.
I think she's kind of different from other teachers. She makes learning a lot more fun, and instead of just lecture and notes, it's we get to do a lot of hands-on stuff.
Today, they're collecting data on elephants, looking at how different factors in the animal's habitat might reduce stress and increase reproductive rates. The students will share their recommendations with the scientists at the San Diego Zoo Institute for Conservation Research.
When you enter this classroom, it doesn't really feel like you're at school anymore. It feels like you're at NASA, because that's where she's from.
McHugh worked at NASA's Ames Research Center before teaching. Her research on aquaponics systems was so good, she was awarded a grant, allowing her to connect real NASA scientists to her high school classes, an experience that hooks even the most hesitant students.
A few years back, I was very confused about science, and it wasn't my favorite subject, but after I had Miss McHugh, she just made it easier for me.
I love high school students because they have no idea what they can't do, which means that the sky's the limit. And at this moment in time, their brains are open. They are really excited about learning, and I think especially if you can show them why it's relevant to them and help them understand why they should care, they can do anything.
McHugh has been honored for her teaching. This year, it was the Presidential Innovation Award for Environmental Educators. The recognition is nice, but this leader in learning says stimulating a sense of discovery in her students is what she's here for. And just 4 years into her classroom career,
Nicely done, team.
she's nailing it.
It's why I get up every morning. They're amazing. It's a privilege to get to work with each and every one of the students that I get to see here at Franklin High School. They're pretty remarkable humans.
In Portland, Angelica Thornton, KATU News.